starting with soft skills, you definitely need to be able to communicate effectively. But not just that, you need to have a confidence when you speak. You can't come in with a monotone voice or act like you're not interested. You kind of need to show them that, you are here and you want this. So having a bit more flair to your voice is really, really important, I find. Put a smile on your face, maybe, in terms of interview process. It's a conversation. Yes, they are there to gauge your experience and what you know, but it's also a conversation where you can have a bit of fun and get to know each other and lighten the mood. It's important. So I think with all those things, the soft skills part is one of the biggest parts, maybe even more so than technical, because in an interview, they understand you don't know everything. They know you're not going to answer every question correctly. You might have a rough idea, you might not, but they're there to gauge how you answer and how confident you are in your answering and the way you think, because you might not know, but you might say something that's kind of like what they're saying, and it still shows some knowledge maybe of something else, but it still shows that you know something and you put some thought into it before you answered the question. That's what I think. And yeah, technical skills are important. Depending on the interview you go to, some of them are going to give you tests and they're going to ask you rough questions and they're going to really rough you up, and kind of at times it feels like they're trying to destroy you because they're just being rude, but they just want someone good and they want to know how you are under pressure. So technical skills are important, but it's not the end all be all, but you should do the best you can to get to a high enough level for the position you are applying for. And just know that on the job, you're always going to be learning new things. This job, the technologies are way different to Amy. Well, some of them, I don't know how to use them, but part of it is me learning how to use them so then I can start adding value, to the company and the projects they work on. So that's what I think. Because soft skills, you need culture fit in the company. If you don't fit with the team, they don't want you there. You gotta gel with everybody. It's more than just can you code. It's like, how do you get along with the people you're going to work with, and how do you fit inside the company? There's just too many factors, and you can't tunnel vision on one. Looking at the code base of Amy and kind of going and looking at the code base of where I am now, it's different, but it's not like I'm clueless. I have a rough idea, not everything, but some of it, enough where when they explain to me, I can kind of give my feedback on like, yeah, I understand this and I got this part, but this is where I don't understand. You're not left clueless because you have the experience now and you've worked on a commercial project. Structure in every company on their projects is different, I've found. With Amy and where I am now, OMF, it's not. The code base is structured very differently. There's some weird names, for some of their folders and whatnot that I'm just like, okay, that's pretty different, but I understand. So yeah, commercial experience and working in a team is absolutely key, because in the end of the day, it's experience, right? And you get better with experience. Yeah, I do. And it's given me the skills I need. And they give you all the tools you need, but it's still up to you as a person. How bad do you want it? It's like they give you the materials to create something, but if you don't want to create it, you're not going to get very far. So it's very important that you as a person use everything that's given to you to the fullest, and really just put in the effort, because you'll reap the rewards in the end.